Today I'm going to be showing you how I clean my Glock 19 Gen 5. Took it to the range a couple days ago. Put a couple 100 rounds. Won't use it again for who knows when. So I'm just going to maintenance it. So it stays in good shape. Make sure you unload it. Make sure it's unloaded, and we're good to go. All right. First things first. You're gonna need, I use old toothbrush, rag, gun oil. Anyways, pretty straightforward, so here we go. Alright. Take off the slide. There's these buttons on both sides. To take it off, you pull it slightly back. So, slightly back. Pull the release, slide release, both sides. Let go right hand first, or slide first. Slide release buttons. Pull trigger. Slide should come off. Alright, so today I'm going to start with the slide. Take it apart. Start with the spring. Comes right off. Barrel, same. Should just easily come right out. Little tool they give you with Glock. Help if I take the top off. Couple drops. Start from the inside out. Go all the way through. And then back. Next time I showed the debris, I kind of messed up. That would have been cool to see. The inside. Now, the spring. We'll just use a couple drops on a rag. I'm using microfiber. Put a couple drops on it. And let that just sit in there. Okay. Now, for the slide, I just want to wipe a couple things off before I apply anything. Okay. Now, with my toothbrush, put a couple driplets on there. And now, from what I've learned, you want to apply where the movement happens. So each of these like little rails on the side. But not in this hole here. Maybe try to stay away from this pin and this slot here. Don't flood that. But you can kind of focus on anywhere else. So anyways, here we go. So, you know, kind of doing mine like that. Quick and easy. And now, put her back together. It's pretty easy. I'm new. This is first gun. And, you know, it's a pretty simple weapon. Everything's on YouTube. And if I can do it, you can do it. So, okay. Now, slide, barrel, spring, it kind of sits in this notch made for it. It's a little U notch. It's a little strong spring, but it should go in pretty easy. Like that. Now, pretty easy to put together too. Sorry, I was looking at the camera. Clean and good to go.